In this review, we have a look around the Nokia Lumia 900. A big handset means a big screen, of course, and this is one of the key attractions of the Lumia 900. At 4.3 inches, it feels vast, and it lends itself well to web browsing and video watching. The AMOLED technology, coupled with Nokia's own clear black technology, delivers great viewing angles and good solid colour rendition. However, the screen's resolution is a bit of a bugbear. At 800 by 480 pixels, the 900 matches the Lumia 800's resolution and indeed the low-cost Lumia 610's resolution as well, and both have the smaller 3.7-inch screens. Microsoft actually sets the screen resolution limit, as it does many of the technical specifications for the Windows Phone operating system architecture, and the result is a good screen, but not a great one. The Nokia Lumia 900 sports an 8-megapixel camera on the rear and a 1-megapixel front camera. It has 16GB of internal memory with no microSD card support. The micro SIM lives in a little caddy on the top of the handset. Inside, the processing is taking care of the 1.4GHz processor from Qualcomm. The polycarbonate chassis wraps around the edges of the phone, making the battery inaccessible. A stylish speaker grille sits on the bottom edge, whereas the flat top and bottom edges and curved sides mimic the originality of the Lumia 800. 3 shortcut buttons beneath the screen give you a start screen, back and search functions, while right side buttons cater for camera shortcut, main power and volume control. The Lumia 900 is quite a large phone for the hand and pocket, and at 160 grams its weight is certainly noticeable, and you might need to ask yourself whether it's too big for your pockets. Performance was very good. The touchscreen is extremely responsive. You might argue that a single-core processor with just 512MB of RAM support is not enough for a flagship handset, but on this phone it feels fast enough. It renders web pages pretty quickly, though it's a Windows phone, so it doesn't support Flash. That 16GB of internal storage should be enough for most people, and there is 7GB of cloud-based storage accessible from the SkyDrive app. Windows Phone looks here as it does on other handsets that carry it because Microsoft insists on an unskinnable user interface. The tiles on the start screen can contain live information, and you have access to a range of apps in the marketplace, though not as many as you get via Android or the Apple Store. Battery life is crucial, and Nokia quotes that the Lumia 900 can deliver 7 hours of 3G talk, 300 hours standby, 60 hours music playback, or 8 hours video play, and you'll find no problem in getting through a day on full charge.